if you check a stop and look at the people who are supporting me, yes, there are many persons who are on the same side as me last year, but there are as many persons who are on a different side who are supporting me now. And that is unity in action. I'm not just preaching it as something that is going to start on the 7th. We start already, and we believe in it, comrades. So my campaign chairman is Tony Hilton.
Comrades, let me say that it is a privilege for me to be asked to be the chairman of Team Golding and to work to ensure that Comrade Golding is the next president of the People's National Party.
He wasn't on the same side as me last year, but he's on the same side now. Comrade Patricia Duncan Sutherland.
I chose to support Comrade Mark Golding before Comrade Mark Golding chose to become leader of the People's National Party.
Here she is. We weren't on the same side last year, but she's on the same side as me now. Comrade Richard Azan.
We want to take back Northwestern Corridor for the People's National Party. And I know that you are the only hope for the People's National Party.
We weren't on the same side last year, but we're on the same side now. Well, there you go, he's on my side now. Comrade Norman Scott, the mayor for Spanish Town.
If I were to choose between being the mayor again and having Comrade Mark Golding as the leader of the People's National Party, I make no bones about it. I would prefer to have Mark as the leader of the People's National Party.
Same thing, wasn't on the same side last year, same side he is now. Joan Gordon Webley.
I have to look for someone with depth, with understanding, someone who has far reach and who can sustain this party into the next general election. And so without keeping up your time, I want you to understand that this is the man we are all going for.
So many, that's the name some. So comrades, we are building unity now because we have a common purpose of rebuilding the party, and we are demonstrating how to bring everybody together under one tent, and that is going to continue after the 7th of November. All comrades are welcome. Lisa is welcome, our team is welcome. We just want to come together with a common purpose, comrades.
Go with Golding.